9 miles northwest of Laurinburg, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour.
There to go. What they issue now? Severe thunderstorm, flash flood, tornado.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Moore County in central North Carolina, Scotland County in central North Carolina, southeastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, Hope County in central North Carolina, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Hoffman, or 10 miles northwest of Laurinburg, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Laurinburg, Southern Pines, Rockingham, Rayford, Pinehurst, Hamlet, Aberdeen, Hoffman, Pine Bluff, and Dobbins Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather statement for the following counties in North Carolina, Polk, and Scotland. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of Scotland, southeastern Richmond, and Hope counties through 2:30 p.m.